Hi, doing a video. Getting my garage fitted out by the lovely people at Garageflex. End of day one. They put up all of the wood and started on the walls. Exciting. Here's Roy inspecting the work. Garageflex are finished for today. So basically they've done the walls. I'm going to get a mirror put in there. The flooring needs to be done, and they also need to go up just into the ceiling space to make that all nice and white, but it's already looking good. Day 3, hello. They're up here. Wave. Just going, oh wow, you finished that side. Looking good. Morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Self-conscious. Mirror's gone in, the floor's down, and looking good. Thank you so much. Just got the flooring and the skirting left to do. Yes, I am. Oh my God, I can't wait to get all my stuff in here. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
No problem at all.
Yes, I am. Oh my God, I can't wait to... Just bringing this stuff, which has basically been sat in the garden for 2 days, surviving a little bit of rain, just beginning to fill the space up.